Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You've already unlocked the Honor phone, now act fast. First, try the accessibility shortcut. Press and hold both volume keys for about 3 seconds to toggle talkback off. If that doesn't work, use talkback gestures. Navigate settings with 2-finger scroll, highlight settings, then double tap to open. Once in settings, move directly to accessibility. Don't browse other menus. Make sure to use double tap to activate selections and 2 fingers to scroll so you don't trigger accidental actions. Once inside accessibility, find talkback or screen reader. You'll need to move focus with single taps and double tap to open. Highlight the talkback toggle, then double tap the switch to turn it off. A confirmation prompt may appear. Highlight the confirmation button and double tap to accept. Make sure to pause between gestures so the phone registers each input. After it flips off, test normal taps and single-finger scrolling. To confirm the device, return to standard touch behavior and responsiveness. To finish, verify single-finger taps and standard scrolling work by opening any app. If talkback won't disable, reboot the phone and try the volume key accessibility toggle again right after restart. If rebooting doesn't help, boot into safe mode to disable third-party interference, then revisit settings accessibility. One key troubleshooting tip. If gestures feel unresponsive, slow down your taps and double taps and use 2-finger scrolling deliberately. That resolves most recognition problems and lets you complete the disable sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.